As an avid plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the exotic allure of unique houseplants. One plant that has captivated my attention is the Alocasia cuprea. This stunning plant, often referred to as the mirror plant or red secret, boasts metallic, copper-colored leaves that shimmer with an almost otherworldly beauty. In this article, I'll share my experiences and insights on growing, caring for, and propagating the Alocasia cuprea, as well as tips on where to buy this gem. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsteraholic.com. What is Alocasia cuprea? Alocasia cuprea is a member of the Alocasia family and is native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. This plant is renowned for its striking foliage, which has a metallic sheen that reflects light, giving it a coppery appearance. The leaves are heart-shaped and can grow up to 24 inches long, making it a truly eye-catching addition to any indoor plant collection. How long does the Alocasia cuprea take to grow? Growth rates for Alocasia cuprea can vary based on several factors, including environmental conditions and care practices. Generally, with optimal conditions, you can expect noticeable growth within a few months. During the growing season, which spans from spring to summer, new leaves can emerge every few weeks. However, it's essential to be patient, as this plant does have periods of dormancy, especially in the cooler months, when growth slows down significantly. How to care for Alocasia cuprea? Caring for Alocasia cuprea requires attention to detail and a bit of dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Here are the key aspects of its care. Light. Alocasia cuprea thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so it's best to place the plant in a spot where it receives filtered light. An east or west-facing window with sheer curtains works perfectly. Watering. This plant prefers consistently moist soil but is sensitive to overwatering. Water your Alocasia cuprea when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Ensure that the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. Alocasia cuprea loves high humidity. Aim for a humidity level of 60 to 80%. You can increase humidity by using a humidifier, placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water, or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants. Temperature. Keep your Alocasia cuprea in a warm environment, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from drafts and sudden temperature changes, as these can stress the plant. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mix designed for aroids, containing peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark, is ideal. Fertilization. Feed your Alocasia cuprea with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Reduce feeding in the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. How to take care of an Alocasia cuprea cutting? Propagating Alocasia cuprea from cuttings can be a rewarding experience. Here's how to take care of a cutting. Obtain a healthy cutting. Take a stem cutting with at least one node and a few leaves. Ensure the cutting is healthy and free from pests or diseases. Rooting medium. Place the cutting in a well-draining mix of perlite and peat moss, or use water propagation by placing the cutting in a jar of water. Humidity and light. Provide high humidity and bright, indirect light. A clear plastic bag or a propagation box can help maintain humidity. Patience and care. Change the water regularly if using water propagation, and keep the soil slightly moist if using a soil mix. Within a few weeks, you should see roots developing. Transplanting. Once the roots are a few inches long, transplant the cutting into a pot with the appropriate potting mix. Where to buy Alocasia cuprea? Finding an Alocasia cuprea can sometimes be a challenge, but several options are available. Local nurseries. Check with local plant nurseries or specialty plant shops. They may have Alocasia cuprea in stock or can order one for you. Online plant stores. Many online plant retailers offer Alocasia cuprea. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and specialized plant stores often have a variety of options. Ensure you read reviews and choose a reputable seller to guarantee the quality of your plant. Plant shows and swaps. Attending plant shows, swaps, or joining local plant groups can be a great way to find rare plants like Alocasia cuprea. You might even make new plant-loving friends in the process. Conclusion. Caring for an Alocasia cuprea can be a delightful and enriching experience. Its unique, shimmering foliage adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor garden. By understanding its growth habits, providing proper care, and learning how to propagate and acquire this beautiful plant, you can enjoy the splendor of the mirror plant in your own home. Happy planting!